Hotel of 610 square meters for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. It is located on the southeast side of Paros, in Logaras. The property consists of 10 rooms, all with their own kitchenettes and ceiling fans, 6 double rooms, 4 quadruple rooms. In the basement, there is a laundry room and a restaurant. In total, it has 5 buildings with 10 separate fully furnished accommodation areas. The property has a remaining building area of 40 square meters and it is in full operation during the summer season. Southeast orientation with a unique view of the Aegean. Accessible by paved road. 70 meters from the beach. 19.3 kilometers from the airport. 17.2 kilometers from the port.